Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing TGGI, CGRA, HYSR, IPIX, HRAA, BBKCF, LICF, and ILUS. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you click on the symbol or the percentage gain, it takes you to our original profile, which is date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. And as you can see, we first started talking about ALPP February 10th, 2020. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'll be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. Text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times, if something hot comes across our desk, we will send a text-only alert out to our subscribers. And the best part is that both our email and our text messaging service are free. We do not run any paid subscription whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. As I said in my last video, great start to November on the OTC markets, and it's been a pretty good week. Wednesday's close saw 2,497 advancers compared to 2,197 decliners, with $2.4 billion in dollar volume. Leading the way was TGGI. This one rallied 78% yesterday. They dropped their SEC filings. The Super 8K is coming. We think this is going to be a big Q4 for the company. Some details on ownership. Insiders own 58% of the convertible securities. 3 institutions alone own 7.2 billion shares. So there's a lot of uplisting talk. There is a long-term plan for TGGI, and we think this one has enormous potential. This has been a runner since August. It was down in the double zeros. Now we're running up here on 2 cents. So this has been a big return for our subscribers. And the stocks I'm talking about, they've all been discussed on insiderfinancial.com. Just go into the little magnifying glass, enter the symbol, and you can get our full coverage. There's our articles, and then there's also our videos. I post all our videos from YouTube on insiderfinancial.com, so you could also go and watch past videos to see what I have said about a particular stock. Next up is CGRA. This one rocketed 133% yesterday. This has just a $13 million market cap. They're getting ready to raise up to $20 million to advance its Bahamian project, which could be as big as Venezuela's Orinoco oil belt. There's projections that what they're pursuing in the Bahamas has over 1.6 billion barrels of oil. So definitely an exciting little play here. Cheap market cap. This is a lotto play that you might want to look at if you haven't already gotten involved with CGRA. Nice huge volume spike. So definitely exciting things happening with CGRA. Next up is HYSR. This is a hydrogen tech play. Been making a rally up from just last week, was under 4 cents. It's up almost 100% in a few days. Major breakout yesterday. There's just been no news since June. It now has over $300 million market cap. With that, there's two ways of looking at that. You could say take caution, or the volume coming in is that a sign that someone knows something's about to happen. So these no news plays certainly interesting. And something that you should take a look at. It will be running up here against the 200-day moving average of 9 cents. As you know, guys, if they've been watching my channel, know I'm a big fan of the 20, the 50, and the 200-day moving averages. I watch these on all of my stocks. They are the three most important moving averages. I like to keep things simple when it comes to charting. Keep it simple, stupid. That's been my motto, and that's what works best for me. Next up is IPIX. This has just been an incredible runner these past few days. Some big things are about to happen. There's the now data lock with top-line results for its phase 2 clinical trial of brilicidin for treatment of moderate to severe COVID-19 in hospitalized patients. This is going to be released next week. So huge data coming down. If it's strong data, this thing's up over $1, going to be running to $2. So definitely, it's a lotto play based on the data. Might see some profit taking. You get some buy the rumor, sell the news type of deal. So that's something to consider with IPIX, but there's a huge community of loyal shareholders. It's all regularly lately been one of the most talked about names on iHub, so the bulls are definitely in control, and they are pushing this one higher. Next up is HRAA. We've been talking about this one regularly. This is a David Lazar reverse merger play. He's well known in the OTC markets landscape for his shell plays, cleaning them up, custodianships, and then finding a hot merger company to put into his shells. This is going to be a big one. They're getting set to merge with Ameriguard Security that does over $100 million in annual revenues. So, David Lazar, he's the real deal. He finds real companies to put into his shells, and it doesn't get much bigger than Ameriguard when you got a company doing those kind of numbers and going into a shell with just a $25 million market cap. So definitely exciting things happening here with HRAA. Next up is BBKCF. This one has been running recently. We've talked about this one quite a bit. Look, this is a great Bitcoin play when it comes to penny stocks. So for all of you crypto fans, BBKCF, they are now holding over 450 Bitcoins, and they own Netcoins up in Canada. So netcoins.ca, this is like the Coinbase of Canada, making big moves. They're really growing, doing a lot of marketing. Certainly an interesting way to own a crypto exchange without, going, if you don't want to own Coinbase with its big market cap. Netcoins has a lot of potential. It's growing. And definitely we like with what BBKCF has been doing. Next up is LIACF. Guys, I've been talking about this one over and over again for the past week now, and it's just going up every day. And this, our channel has a lot of followers. A lot of people pay attention to us, and when we keep talking about a name over and over again, it certainly is able to have an impact. And for those of you that got in on LICF and have ridden this lithium play, congrats. It's been a double here in the last 2 weeks. So great opportunity. Really happy to what's played out with LICF. Lithium, Tesla, this is one of the top sectors to be in, and we've been talking about lithium plays. This is the sector that we really, really like. It's a sector we want to be in, and we encourage our subscribers to pay attention to all the lithium plays that we identify for our subscribers. Last up is ILUS. This has just been great play. This one looks like it's going to be NASDAQ bound. They have done 3 new acquisitions that will add $12 million in revenues. Last year, the big runner was ALPP, which just got on NASDAQ. Similar type play, conglomerate, doing merger plays, great CEO in charge, big shareholder base, and this one is a favorite on the OTC markets, and it's a quality play. So for those guys that keep saying the Furus that OTC is dead, they're not looking in the right spot, and they're playing their pump and dump garbage. We don't want to get involved in any of that BS. Find the quality companies and ride them, and you could see that play like ILUS, it's just been a nice gradual run up. Yes, it pulls back, but it consolidates, and now we're set here to make new highs. So great play here, ILUS. This one is definitely going to have a great Q4, and one that we really like. And this one has a lot more room to run. And congrats to all that got in over the summer under 5 cents. So been a great runner for us and our subscribers. So again, anyone saying the OTC is dead, they have no clue what they're talking about, and they are just not looking in the right areas. So you want to find these types of plays, make sure you go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. We only send out our best ideas to our subscribers. Right now, we're just riding what we have. Be doing some screens. Maybe we'll have something Friday. But yesterday we had a nice NASDAQ play. We play both OTC and NASDAQ wherever we see opportunities, and that's what we aim to deliver for our subscribers. So thank you very much for watching. I want to wish everyone a wonderful day, and I'll be coming live to you tomorrow with a new video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.